What's going on? The Automation Chef here, showing you how to automate your business and reclaim your time. And today I wanted to show you a quick video of how I help people in the forums navigate their questions in Zapier, sometimes without ever having utilized the software that they're talking about. So in this example, Kira asked, hey everyone, I'm a total newbie and I'm trying to gain info on how to connect Facebook ad leads into Dubsado through Zapier. Any experts here that have done this? I've used Facebook ad leads many times. It's a very common Zapier task that needs to happen. When a lead comes in, it needs to go into a Google Sheet, needs to go into a CRM, needs to be tracked somewhere. So that's pretty common. Was familiar with probably what her request was about there, but I'd never heard of Dubsado. And, the first thing I wanted to know is, am I on base with what you're trying to do with Facebook? Are you just hoping to create a new project in Dubsado? Well, how do I know about projects? The first thing I do is look at, I do a Google search for Dubsado Zapier, and that'll show me the application on Zapier's website. And it will show me, if you scroll past all this, all the triggers and actions available for that app. So there is one action for this one, and that's create projects. So it sounds like Dubsado works off of projects, so I started using and adopting that language. Is your goal to just create a new project when a lead arrives? Well, I got a little more information out of her. Maybe if I bring them in as a project, do I then create a workflow in Dubsado to trigger the email sequence? There's a lot of hidden questions in this of what they're actually trying to do. Not quite surface level. Apparently Dubsado has something called workflows, and they're just trying to figure out how to trigger that based off a Facebook lead coming in. So what I did was start Googling for Kira here to look at Dubsado's functionality, and I had Googled Dubsado project help, and they have all these great, what is a project? Here's ways that you work with projects. So I familiarized myself with a little bit about what projects are in Dubsado. It didn't seem too complex. It seemed pretty straightforward. But I needed to know, is there a way to trigger the workflows in Dubsado? And so I looked at their information about project workflows. Let's see if I can find that article again. Dubsado project workflow help. Creating workflows. Yeah, this is the article I found. So they have this how to build a workflow section. I thought that was interesting. And then they had this ability about triggering. And that was really curious to me because I thought, maybe it triggers automatically when a project's created. That was my first thought. And that doesn't seem to be the case when I read the documentation around it. What I found out was that it has to be manually triggered. It has to be told to trigger. And usually that's in their UI. Like when you're in Dubsado, you would say, trigger this automation. But that's not what the user's wanting. I would love, here's a feature request for Zapier, I would love to see all the fields that each of these are asking for when you create the action. That would be nice. But thankfully, I'm really impressed. Dubsado has a great help center. They have this article about triggers and actions in Zapier. And when I look through that, it tells me each of the triggers that they have available. If I keep scrolling, there's one action, right? There's a create project action. And I look through all this, and it's got a bunch of the CRM, lead information. That's great. And then you'll have the ability or the option to assign the following to projects created from this. Workflows in there. So based on this information, I can assess that as that Facebook lead comes in, we could create a Dubsado project and fill out the workflow to trigger a workflow based off of whatever she's trying to do. So yes, create the workflow in Dubsado. Once you do that, you'll create the project using Zapier and choose that workflow that should run each time you create a project. Here's some helpful documentation, and pointed her back to this article. So just by navigating the help articles, I was able to figure out the functionality of Dubsado. I'm really impressed with what they have going here, and was able to help Kira out. Hopefully that was helpful for her. Hopefully that's helpful for you. All right, take care. If I can help you with any of your automations, reach out to me. I'm the Automation Chef. Thanks for watching.